Hello everyone, I'm Abulfaz Lacy and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new website called Wildcat. Wildcat is a subcategory website for cgtrader.com. This website mainly designed for 3D artists. In short terms, there are lots of tasks which you earn money by doing the tasks. The tasks divide to several categories like modeling, texturing, UV mapping, optimization, and so on. As you know, cgtrader.com is a website that you can create 3D models and upload them to the website, which you can sell and earn money. But Wildcat is kind of the opposite way, which means there are several tasks which you can choose them, and by completing the task you earn money. So let's get started. First, you need to create an account. You can do that in two ways. One, you can do it through the link provided in the cgtrader.com, or just simply go to the Google and search for wildcat CG Trader and hit enter. Then the first link that comes up is CG Trader Wildcat. Another thing that I need to mention is that you may say that what's different about this platform and why do you need to use it. So the point is, when you just started working as a 3D artist, maybe you don't have enough customers, you don't have enough connections, generally you don't have a good network that can provide you with enough projects, or in any means you're new to this workplace and you want to earn some money using your skills. So you click on join Wildcat today and it brings you to this page. And if you already have a CG Trader account, you can use that to log in here, and if you don't, it doesn't matter, you can sign up here. So some basic registration stuff. You fill out the information and hit sign up. Then you receive an email that you need to confirm so your account is successfully verified. Bear that in mind that sometimes it could take a couple of hours for the site to send you the verification email. So you just open the email that has been sent to you and click confirm account. So you successfully created your account. Next, you choose what types of models you want to work on. The first category is low poly PBR ready models. For those of you who are new to this, I'm going to explain. Low poly PBR ready models are generally referring to models that are basically for video games and or the models that are going to be used in a game engine. Next category, high poly models, are models that you can use in game engines and or your scenes, but they're not necessarily optimized model that you can use them in games, or a render that is going to take place in a real-time renderer. Of course, you can choose one or the other or both of them. It basically depends on you, that basically which category you are more comfortable to work on. Here we're going to select both. Next, you have to select how many years of experience you have in each category. Next step, you have to choose what modeling software you use, and you can only choose one of them. And these questions have nothing to do with the tasks that the site will provide for you later on when your account has been verified. These questions are more of a survey for you to complete. So next step is your favorite texturing software. And in this step or the previous one, if you use a software that is not listed in here, you can enter other and enter your software's name. Well, I'm gonna go with Substance 3D Painter. Next step, you can check any other application that you can work with, you're familiar with, or in any means you use them in your works. And for here, we're gonna hit Autodesk 3ds Max, Blender, ZBrush, Substance Painter again, Armature Toolbag, and Photoshop. And you can hit other and type in any other software that you use that are not listed in here. And the final step for your profile info, you have to choose the categories that you're most interested to working on. And like I mentioned earlier, these steps are just for setting up your profile, and it's just for the website to get a hold of your personal preference so that later on the tasks that are suggesting to you earlier match the categories that you choose. This doesn't mean that if you choose, for example, furniture or electronics, if you choose only these two, in the future you can't get tasks that are listed as a render scene or accessories or interior accessories. Later on, you can see all the tasks and you can choose them to work on. These are just for setting up a better experience. For the moment, I'm not going to go through each and every category listed here because that can take a lot of time. But if you have any questions about any of them, you can ask me in the comments and I will explain it to you. So for now, we're gonna hit furniture, home appliance, accessories, interior accessories, toys maybe, tools, outdoor equipment, kitchenware, and stuff like that. These are mostly hard surface models that I'm more comfortable to work with. Next step, you have to share your portfolio. It doesn't matter which website. It can be ArtStation, CGTrader, Sketchfab, or even your own personal website. It just have to show your work and projects that you have worked on. And have that in mind that don't paste a link to just a single project. And next, maybe you have some works and projects that you haven't shared anywhere or haven't posted to your portfolio yet. You just have a picture of them, so you can drag and drop them here, or even images of a project that you're currently working on, or wireframes of your models, or UV layout, things that are worth looking at, things that will promote your work and your art. For example, here I'm gonna paste my CGTrader account. As simple as that. And if you have anything else, you can drag and drop images in here. Submit, and it says that it can take up to 4 days for them to review your work and your portfolio, but it actually happens in a couple of days. So this concludes our chapter, and for the next chapter I'm going to show you how to complete your first task and the things that you need to pay attention to. And as always, thank you for watching.